This is question number 21 from the June 2014 Algebra 1 Regent. A sunflower is 3 inches tall at week 0 and grows 2 inches each week. Which function or functions shown below can be used to determine the height f of n of the sunflower in n weeks? And we have Roman numeral 1, Roman numeral 2, and Roman numeral 3, and we have 4 answer choices. So we need to try out each of the equations in 1, 2, and 3, Roman numeral 1, Roman numeral 2, and Roman numeral 3, to see which one correctly models the situation. Let's start with Roman numeral 1. Roman numeral 1 says that f of n is equal to 2 times n plus 3. This correctly models the situation because it shows f of n, which is the height, is 2 times n plus 3. So this equation is in the form y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope or the rate of change, and the rate of change we know is 2 inches per week, so that's this 2 over here. Plus b is the y-intercept, and the y-intercept is the height or the value of the function at x is equal to 0, which is week 0. And that is correct because it is 3. The height is 3 at week 0. So Roman numeral 1 is correct. Let's look at Roman numeral 2. Roman numeral 2 has an equation. Let's simplify it so we could see it in y is equal to mx plus b form. F of n is equal to 2n plus 3 times n minus 1. To simplify it, we'll distribute the 3 and distribute the 3. F of n is equal to 2n plus 3n minus 3. Let's combine like terms. 2n plus 3n is 5n minus 3. Now this is in y is equal to mx plus b form. And the rate of change over here, it says it's 5, so that's not right because we want the rate of change to be 2. And it says that the y-intercept, or the height by week 0, is negative 3, and that's not either correct because the height of a sunflower cannot be a negative number, so Roman numeral 2 cannot be correct. Let's move on to Roman numeral 3. F of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus 2, where f of 0 is equal to 3. This is a recursive sequence which correctly models the situation. F of 0 means that the value of the function at 0, and that is 3, so that is correct. And f of n minus 1 plus 2, the way we write out a recursive sequence for an arithmetic function is f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus d, where f of n minus 1 is the value of the function at the term before the term that we're solving for. So let's say we're solving for f of 3, or the height during week 3, we would do f of 3 minus 1 plus d, or f of 2 plus d. So f of n minus 1 always represents the value of the term before the term that we're solving for. And d is the common difference, which is the amount that we're adding each week or each time. So we're adding, in this case, 2. And that is correct because over here it's also a plus 2. So 1 and 3 are correct, and the correct answer is choice 4.